Please subscribe, follow and like engineeringall.com.
Why is there a growing popularity of turbocharged car engines? Here's why. In the ever-evolving world of automobiles, a powerful trend is taking center stage: turbocharged car engines. What is a turbocharged car engine? A turbocharged car engine, commonly referred to as a turbo engine, is a type of internal combustion engine that uses a device called a turbocharger to enhance its performance. The primary goal of a turbocharger is to increase the amount of air that the engine can take in, which in turn allows the engine to burn more fuel and generate more power. How does a turbocharger work? A turbocharger operates on a simple principle. It uses exhaust gases from the engine to drive a turbine wheel. This turbine wheel is connected to a compressor wheel through a shaft. As the exhaust gases flow over the turbine wheel, it spins rapidly, causing the compressor wheel to also spin. The compressor wheel draws in and compresses more air, which is then forced into the engine cylinders. This forced induction of air allows the engine to burn more fuel and produce more power. Advantages of turbocharged engines: 1. Increased power. By compressing more air into the cylinders, a turbocharged engine can generate significantly more power than a naturally aspirated engine, an engine without a turbocharger. 2. Improved fuel efficiency. Turbocharged engines can burn fuel more efficiently, resulting in better fuel economy compared to larger, naturally aspirated engines. 3. Compact size. Turbocharging allows automakers to downsize engines while maintaining, or even enhancing performance. This can lead to lighter and more agile vehicles. 4. Reduced emissions. Turbocharged engines often produce lower emissions because the improved combustion efficiency leads to cleaner exhaust gases. 5. Enhanced performance. Turbochargers can provide a boost effect, which results in rapid acceleration and improved performance, especially at higher speeds. 6. Technology advancements. Modern turbocharging technology has become more refined, minimizing drawbacks like turbo lag, delay in power delivery, and making turbocharged engines more responsive. Challenges and considerations. 1. Turbo lag. In older designs, there could be a delay between pressing the accelerator and feeling the power boost from the turbocharger. However, newer designs have largely mitigated this issue. 2. Maintenance. Turbochargers operate under high temperatures and stresses, which can lead to wear and tear over time. Regular maintenance is essential to keep the turbocharger functioning optimally. 3. Higher costs. The technology involved in turbocharging can make engines and components slightly more complex and expensive to produce and maintain. Turbocharged car engines have become increasingly popular due to their ability to offer a combination of power, efficiency, and performance. They are a prime example of how engineering innovations are pushing the boundaries of automotive technology to create more capable and versatile vehicles. Whether you're seeking a dynamic driving experience or improved fuel economy, the turbocharged engine has made its mark on the modern automotive landscape. Once reserved for high-performance sports cars, turbocharging has now become a game-changer in the automotive industry. From compact cars to SUVs, manufacturers are embracing this technology, and there are compelling reasons behind its growing popularity. Reason number 1: efficiency and fuel economy. Turbocharged engines leverage exhaust gases to drive a turbine, which compresses incoming air, leading to a denser air-fuel mixture. This efficient combustion results in improved mileage and reduced fuel consumption. Reason number 2: downsizing without sacrificing performance. Turbocharging allows automakers to downsize engines without compromising power. Smaller turbocharged engines can deliver performance equivalent to or even surpassing larger naturally aspirated engines, resulting in lighter and more agile vehicles. Reason number 3: emission regulations and environmental concerns. Stricter emission standards are driving manufacturers to seek greener solutions. Turbocharging aids in this effort by enhancing combustion efficiency and reducing emissions. Reason number 4: performance enhancement. Enthusiasts and thrill seekers, this one's for you. Turbocharged engines pack a punch, offering higher horsepower and torque, translating to quicker acceleration and exhilarating top speeds. Reason number 5, adoption of electric and hybrid technologies. Turbocharging complements these technologies, providing an extra boost of power when needed and ensuring a seamless transition between different propulsion systems. Reason number 6, improved engine response. Modern turbocharged engines minimize turbo lag, resulting in better throttle response and a smoother driving experience. Reason number 7, technology advancements and cost effectiveness. With streamlined manufacturing processes, producing turbocharged engines has become more cost-effective, making them accessible to a wider range of consumers. In conclusion, the turbocharged engine trend is sweeping the automotive landscape, driven by the demand for efficiency, performance, and environmental responsibility. Whether it's the thrill of high-speed acceleration or the pursuit of a greener future, turbocharged car engines are steering the industry toward a dynamic and exciting horizon.